Hi, welcome to Boss Digi class. Today we will learn about singular and plural nouns with an, and some. Let's start. So when do we use an? We use an for a single noun that begins with a vowel. What's a vowel? A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, meaning a word that starts with A, E, I, O, or U, right? For example, does this word start with an A, E, I, O, or U? Yes, airplane starts with an A, right? So we say an airplane. What about this word, this noun, this thing? Eraser starts with the letter E, that's right. So is E here? Yes, it is. A-E-I-O-U. This one is E. So we use an eraser. What about this word? An insect. An insect. Insect starts with the letter. That's right. I. Exactly. What about umbrella? Umbrella starts with the letter U. That's right. That's why we use an umbrella. Everybody say an umbrella, right? What about this fruit? This word. Orange starts with the letter O. Very good. So whenever a word starts with a vowel meaning letter A, E, or I, or U, O, or U, then we use an in front of the word. Okay? What about other words? We use a for single nouns that begins with a consonant. What's a consonant? It's a consonant is a word that starts with the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Or in other words, letters that do not start with vowels. They don't start with A, don't start with E, don't start with I, O, or U, right? So the rest of the words in the alphabet, right? So for example, bed, a bed. Bed starts with the letter B. Is it A, E, I, O, or U? No, so we use a bed. Rooster. What about rooster? Does R start with does rooster start with A, E, I, O, or U? No, it starts with an R. So we use a rooster, right? What about man? Does does the word man start with the letter A, E, I, O, or U? No, it starts with the letter M. So we use a man. Okay? Very good. Singular nouns. So if there's only one thing that you see, only one dog, we say a dog. Everybody say a dog, right? What about one ant? How do we say one ant? An ant. Wow, why an with N? Because ant starts with the letter A, which is a vowel, right? A, E, I, or O, or U. That's right. What about one banana? How do we say one banana? A banana. That's right. Excellent. This one? One apple. How do we say one apple? An apple. Hey, wait a minute. Why is there N here? An apple. This one is right? This one is an. Why would what's up with the N? Because apple starts with the letter A, and A is a vowel, right? A, E, I, O, or U. Very good. And then what if it's more than one? No, like two beds. How do we say two beds? We use S behind the plural noun, behind the word, the things that are more than one, right? Beds with S here. So two beds. Let's count. One, two. Two beds with S. Two beds, right? What about three roosters? How do we say three roosters? That's right. We use S S behind the rooster, right? So 3, let's count, 1, 2, 3. 3 roosters. We use S. That's right. What about 1 hat? A hat. That's right. What about 2 hats? 2 hats with an S, right? 2 hats. Everybody say 2 hats, right? Okay. What about 1 umbrella? That's right, an umbrella. Why an? Because umbrella starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. This is U, right? What about 4 umbrellas? That's right, we say 4 and then umbrellas with S. So we can also use some for more than one things, right? Especially if you want to say something that is more than one, but when you don't count exactly how many, right? You don't want to count or you don't count. So you can say 5 ducklings, that's right. Or you can say, if you don't want to count, you can say, hey, I see some cute ducklings with S, right? Very good. So we can also use some for things that are more than one. Oh, like there's so many ducks here, right? So we don't want to count. For example, we don't want to count. So how do we say this? We say some ducks, right? Very good. And then houses, there are so many here when we don't want to count. So what do we say? Some houses, right? Okay, very good. So if there's only one thing, we say a strawberry. But if there's more than one, we say some strawberries, right? With S. If there's only one bird, what do we say? A bird. If there are more than one birds, we say some birds with S. That's right. All right, let's do an exercise. Okay, it's 1 egg, right? So do we say a egg, an egg, or some egg? Which one? That's right, an egg, not a egg. Why? Because egg starts with the letter E, which is a vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U, E here. Look at the eggs. So do we say eggs, an eggs, or some eggs if it's more than one? Remember? Yes, we use some eggs, right? So there are more than one boys here, and we don't count how many. So how do we say this? Boys, an boys, or some boys? Which one? We say some boys. That's right. What about 1 owl? What do we say? An owl. That's right, because owl starts with the letter O, which is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U, right? Okay, this one. Spoon. Only 1 spoon. What do we say? A spoon. That's right. So plates. More than 1 plate. What do we say? Plates, an plates, or some plates. Which one? Some plates. That's right. What about bowls? The same, right? With plates, we say some bowls. That's right. What if it's 1 mug? What do we say? A mug, an mug, or some mug? Which one? A mug. That is correct. Last one, okay? Wow, so many fish. What do we say? Some fish. That's right. 1 monkey, a monkey, an monkey, or some monkey? Which one? A monkey. That's right. And then, wow, so many ants. What do we say? Ants, an ants, or some ants? Which one? With some. Excellent. Good job. Some ants, right? And then, wow, there's more here. A cupcake for 1 cupcake, right? And then some donuts for more than 1 donut. And then this one, which one is this? Cookies, cookies, or some cookies? That's right, some cookies. And last one. A toy, toy, or some toy? Which one? There's only one. A toy. Very good, everybody. That's it for today. Goodbye.